Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice ice cream. First, you'll need to cook 1 cup of rice until it's incredibly soft, almost mushy. This is crucial for a smooth texture. Once cooked, combine the rice with 2 cups of your preferred milk and 0.5 cup of sugar in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, then chill it thoroughly in the refrigerator. This ensures proper churning later. Now let's talk about flavor. You can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or for a fruity twist, blend in 0.25 cup of fruit puree. Make sure your base is perfectly smooth before moving on. Any graininess will affect the final texture. Once chilled and flavored, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it for approximately 20 minutes or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. This step is where the magic happens. After churning, your rice ice cream will be soft, similar to soft serve. Carefully transfer this delicious mixture into a freezer-safe container. Make sure the container has a tight-fitting lid to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it becomes firm enough to scoop. When it's ready, simply scoop out your homemade rice ice cream and enjoy this unique treat. To store your homemade rice ice cream, keep it in an airtight container in the freezer. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. For the best texture, let it sit out for a few minutes before serving, allowing it to soften slightly. This brings out its creamy consistency. Also, if you're looking for other great kitchen gadgets or want to stay hydrated, check the description below for some fantastic deals and product links, including the Owala water bottle. Enjoy your unique dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.